Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show the buy and sell buttons in TradingView. If you've opened a chart and wondered why you can't place trades, the key is simple. The buy and sell buttons only appear when TradingView is linked to a supported broker. Think of TradingView as your charting workspace, and the broker connection is what unlocks actual trading features inside that workspace, giving you the ability to execute trades directly from your charts without having to jump between platforms. Start by ensuring your broker is connected to TradingView. This connection allows TradingView to communicate securely with your brokerage, so it can display trading controls for the symbol you're analyzing. Without an active connection, the platform stays in view-only mode, and the buy and sell controls remain hidden. It's also worth noting that availability depends on your region and whether your broker is officially supported, so the exact options you see may vary. For example, some brokers may not offer direct integration with TradingView, so it's essential to verify that your broker is on the list of supported platforms before you can place trades. Once your broker is connected, look for the trade option in the interface. You can access it in two convenient places, at the top right of the chart or along the bottom of the screen where the trading pane lives. Either location leads to the same place. Selecting Trade simply brings up the trading tools that tie directly to your broker connection. This dual access method is particularly helpful if you're using a larger screen and want quick access to trading controls without cluttering the chart. When the trading pane appears, you'll see the buy and sell buttons for the symbol currently loaded on your chart. The pane is context aware, so it follows whatever ticker you're viewing. This is where you can review the basic order details your broker supports, like order type, quantity, and price, and see key information such as bid and ask. Having this information readily available helps you make more informed decisions as you trade. Depending on your broker, you may also see account-specific details like balances, positions, and working orders displayed alongside the buttons. This is especially useful for managing your positions in real time, ensuring you have all the data you need to execute trades efficiently. If the pane looks compact, that's normal. Layouts can differ based on your screen size and preferences, but the essential buy and sell controls are there. If you're working with a smaller screen or prefer a cleaner layout, you can customize how much space the trading pane occupies. Once the connection is active, if you switch charts, the buttons automatically update to the new symbol, keeping your trading flow consistent with your analysis. This seamless transition makes it easy to adapt to different charts and strategies without losing track of the active position. And if you prefer to keep your chart uncluttered, you can leave the pane minimized and bring it up only when you're ready to trade. This approach can help keep your workspace clean while still giving you quick access to trading controls when needed. It's a great option for traders who like to focus on their charts and analysis, but still want the flexibility to execute trades instantly when the opportunity arises. That's all it takes. Connect your broker to TradingView, open the trade interface from the top right or the bottom trading pane, and the buy and sell buttons will be right where you need them. With that setup, you can focus on your analysis and act quickly when your strategy gives you the signal. This setup ensures that you can stay focused on the charts, while also having the tools at your fingertips to make quick, well-informed trading decisions. Happy trading, and enjoy the streamlined experience.